The girl is dancing here because she is now hypnotized and she is not in her control. She is ready to slap her father because of R. Madhavan. So, what will happen in this scene? So, we will say it. Hey, hello, we are again set to go to the theater. Don't you? We all love to watch this movie in the theater because this movie is thrilling with so much twists and turns. So I know that you all know what movie I am talking about. That movie is Shaitan. So I personally believe and love this to watch these kind of movies, videos. But yeah, in the fictional world, I just don't want to face any kind of things like this in our real life. So please God save us from these kind of things, and let me enjoy and let us enjoy only in the fictional things and in the movies. So we love to go there, and I think you all will love to go there. So this movie is all about engaging yourself, because these kind of things we can't watch without too much concentration, because when we have the fear of something, we can think continuously what will happen after this, after this, after this. So we will love to watch these kind of videos, but I just don't know will I be able to go there or not, because my parents strictly prohibited me from watching these kind of movies, because I know they know very well about me. That's why they say to me, because I love to watch this, but I'm not that courageous also. That's why they are saying to us. But still, I love to go there, love to watch. So what's the scene when we watched this trailer? The R. Madhavan, Ajaydevgan, Jyotika. The story was all about the Ajaydevgan family. Ajaydevgan with his wife and daughter's son was living peacefully in his house. So one day they let in any mysterious person in their house. So that mysterious person is our Madhavan, that is Shaitan. So he said only about 15 minutes, that he will stay only for 15 minutes, but after 15 minutes he refused to go out. So Ajay was forcing him to go out. But what's this? His daughter is not ready to let him go. She stopped him. She ends up slapping her face. Means she started beating herself, because after some time we can know that she was hypnotized by that sinister person. So now the nightmare begins, and all the bad things started happening. So we will watch and we will see that how Ajay will save his daughter. So let's count day and go to the theater on the March 8. Enjoy this movie and entertain yourself. Bye bye.